What's up guys, Andrew Lee here, back with another tech tutorial to help you grow your brand online. In today's video, we're going to go over how you can increase your YouTube subscribers by taking advantage of your channel's built-in YouTube subscriber link. So here's how to create your YouTube subscription link. Step 1, get your channel's URL. Step 2, take your URL and add this to the end of it. Here's what people will be shown when they tap your link. So the subtle thing about this trick is instead of just sending someone the link to your channel, you can send them the built-in subscription link for your channel. And the only difference is the built-in subscription link has a pop-up that prompts them to subscribe. And so it's a subtle little thing, but it actually makes a big difference in the long run. My favorite part is it's literally zero extra effort on your part. This YouTube channel growth trick only works on desktop. When someone taps your YouTube channel's built-in subscription link on mobile, they're taken to your channel, but the prompt to encourage them to subscribe doesn't appear. If you're watching this and haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And also, be sure to hit that like button if you're enjoying this video, or if you found this video helpful. It would really have a tremendous impact in helping my videos reach more and more people through the YouTube algorithm.